All right. These questions are related to the learning objectives associated with radioactivity. Paper 1, this comes from a question paper administered in 2019. It says a neutron, and the nuclide symbol for a neutron is given there. It says it's fired at a uranium-235 nucleus. The neutron is absorbed by the nucleus, which then splits to form nuclei of barium and krypton. What is the number of neutrons emitted when the uranium-235 nucleus splits? And so we've got nuclear fission here. We're fissioning the uranium nucleus into lighter nuclei. If we drew the entire reaction out, we'd have uranium-235 plus a neutron is going to yield these guys here. So we got barium-141 and krypton 92. If you add up the proton number, 56 plus 36, we get the 92 protons that we started with in uranium. And so the atomic number is already balanced. If we look at the mass number, 235 plus 1 is 236 that we start out with, on the left. But we've only got 141 plus 92, so that's 233. So we only have 233 mass units on the right side of this, which means we're missing 3 neutrons. In other words, we've liberated another 3 1-0 neutrons. And so a coefficient in front of a nuclide symbol would be telling you how many of them are sort of created there. So there's the nuclide symbol that agrees with this one. And just how many of them are created? Well, we need 3 of those in order to balance the nucleon number on the left and the right side. So the correct answer is choice D. Question 40 asks about the word equation for beta plus decay. So that's positron emission. We're emitting a positron, so we'd be looking for that word on after the yield sign, not electrons, but positrons. If you get a positron, that's an antiparticle, so you're not going to get an antineutrino. You just get a regular old neutrino. And so just by that alone, we kind of know that D is correct. This positron emission is proton decay. We're decaying the proton into a neutron, a positron, and an electron neutrino. Perhaps after you watch this video, you let this information sink in a bit, and then somebody later on asks you, hey, what'd you learn in YouTube school today? And you'll say, I learned that beta plus decay, a proton decays to a neutron, a positron, and an electron neutrino. In beta plus decay, a proton decays to a neutron, a positron, and an electron neutrino. In beta plus decay, a proton decays to a neutron, a positron, and an electron neutrino. If you say it to yourself 7 times, you'll never forget it. This is Dr. Schleif, living the physics life, and we'll see you next time.